Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, the country is one step closer to cutting ties with the British monarch and becoming a republic.
At a press briefing today, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the members of the Constitutional Reform Committee, which will review and make recommendations for a new constitution.
Now, TVJ's Kalisha Williams was there.
The Constitutional Reform Committee, CRC, will be chaired by Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo Fort. Ambassador Rocky Mead will be her co-chair. Among the other members,
Dr. Derek McCoy, CD, JP, KC, Attorney General of Jamaica. Senator the Honorable Tom Tavares Finson, OJ, CD, KC. I have to do it formally.
2 members of the parliamentary opposition are also part of the committee, as well as representatives of a faith-based group, civil society, and a youth advisor.
Senator Ransford Braham, CD, KC, government senator. Senator Braham apologized. Senator Donna Scott Motley, parliamentary opposition, member of the Senate. Mr. Anthony Hilton, MP, Parliamentary Opposition, House of Representatives. We have an international constitutional law expert who is on the committee, Professor Richard Albert.
There has been heightened controversy over Jamaica becoming a republic since Barbados did so in 2021 and the royal visit of Prince William and his wife Kate Middleton to Jamaica in 2022. Now, Mr. Holness indicated that the Constitutional Reform Committee is another step in the right direction.
Their job is significant, and I thank all of them for giving of their time and effort, knowledge and guidance to the process. I am confident that we will be able to meet the ambitious timelines that have been set and that we will make one step further in redefining who we are as a country and as a sovereign people.
However, the work of the CRC will have to be complemented by a referendum. As for when that will happen,
the Constitution at Section 49 sets out the procedure and what will happen after the vote is taken in the last house. We're hoping that we can get to that stage by fiscal year 23-24, perhaps around about the second quarter. But bear in mind that we can't predict everything. We're just working as best as we can with the timelines that we know.
The committee will formally meet next Wednesday. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.